Khubor Pibaro Shakatuk Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Imat bakong san menta ke sini Shillong, rong kinong tu dikilak tingka bat kesiar na yeng utipak hazarika. NEHU Samla Allen Lingdo ya ke WhatsApp banwai kali. Perta usaleng ha parlimen halor ke jingkiu ke HIV AIDS Meghalaya. Bat sedang prong kirangba NPP ke keper Kongres ong NEHU Antony. Bat mentang Shik Khubor bakam banyak. Shikin hun kinong tu kilaprong ya ke ying jong dipak hazarika unong kayi he seng ubasyong hakat lai mer Jorabat Assam haka step kenjat syai aku saltrik Nailar bat kilarong bak ya ki pisa de ki paulak tingka bat ki ksiar kiksa ki badon haka ying uni unong kayi. Ka Khubor nanong po kayat ho kani ka kinhun nong tu kila pen up da ka pistol bat kitiar pen mensaw yo chowkidar bat security guard. Kila te lakhu miki bat dat iki haban da jam jai. Nang ta kila rung ha ka ying basa uni unong khayi bat kila tero na phang ya ka pisa tingka bat ikiksiar kiksa na phang. Haba kila pentli ki pisa bat kiksiar kiksa na kiduli kila phet bak na kate ka jaka. La pentep mar shiki pulit ka Jorabat bat Sunapur ki balawan wood Henry lap din dry shoe ikta kinong tu. Kejing thokit kidang ya chaprang halor kani kejingja.
Elective logai ভিতৰত আহিল তাৰপিছত আমি আহিছোঁ 2:30-35 মানত আমি দলং পাৰ হোৱাৰ লগে লগে দোকানত মেনেজাৰক উঠালোঁ তেতিয়া সিহঁতক ভিতৰত বান্ধি ৰাখিছে মই গৈ দৰ্জা কিয় নখোলোঁ তাৰপিছত এইপিনে ঘৰৰ পৰা মানুহ ওলাই আমাক চবেই এটেক কৰিলে মাৰিছে পিষ্টল দি দাউ দি
কি বস্তু লৈ গৈছে আপোনালোকে
আমাৰ সোণা লৈ গ'ল অলপমান পইচা লৈ গ'ল
কিমানমান টকা লৈ গৈছে
2 লাখ টকা
আৰু হয় আপোনালোক কিমানমান অলংকাৰ কি লৈ গৈছে
অলংকাৰ সোণৰ চেন লৈ গ'ল 3টা আৰু আঙুঠি লৈ গ'ল
নগদ ধনো নিছে আৰক্ষীক জনাইছে
আৰু আগৰ 20 টকীয়া নোট আছিল বহুত বছৰ পুৰণা 20 টকীয়া 10 টকীয়া এইবিলাক লৈ গ'ল এইবিলাক নতুন নোটবিলাক মই জমা কৰি ৰাখিছোঁ
আৰক্ষীক জনাইছে আৰক্ষীক জনাইছে
আৰক্ষীক জনাইছোঁ জনোৱা মানে সিহঁতে কৈছে আহিব থানাত ৰিপৰ্ট লিখাব কাৰণে
চিচিটিভি কেমেৰা আছে নে আপোনাৰ
চিচিটিভি কেমেৰা আছে এইবিলাক উঠাই লৈ গ'ল মিছিল
কোনে উঠালে
ডকাইতে উঠাই লৈ গ'ল
চিচিটিভি কেমেৰা আছে
ডকাইতৰ দলটো কেনেকুৱা
মানুহবিলাক মোক মাৰাকেইটা তাতে মই আহিলোঁ যে সোমালোঁ মোক মাৰাকেইটা ক্ষীণমিন মানুহ মোক মাস্ক লগাইছে
হাতত কিবা
মাৰণাস্ত্ৰ দাও আছিল কাবাল ৰড আৰু লাঠি চাঠি আছিল আৰু পিষ্টল আছিল বন্দুকো আছিল
আপোনালোকক ক'ত মাৰিলে
মোক কপালত পিছপিনে আৰু মোৰ লগত যোনজন ল'ৰা আহিছিল তাক মাৰিল মাথাত পিষ্টলৰ গুলি দি
আপোনালোকে কেইটামান বজাত হৈছিলে
এইটো টাইমটোতো মই গম নাপাওঁ কিন্তু ধৰক যোৱা টাইমটোতো 3টা হেৰি হৈছে না আহোঁতে মানে কি মই শুয়ে আছিলোঁ মই গমেই নাপাওঁ আহি যেতিয়া মুখত ধৰিছে মোক পটককৈ চিঞৰি দিলোঁ চিঞৰি দিয়াত তাৰমানে তেখেতে মোক আঁঠুটো হেৰি কৰিছে ভৰিটো মাৰি পেলাই ভৰিটোতে হেৰি কৰিছে আৰু তাৰপৰা মুখত হেঁচা মাৰি ধৰিছে তাৰপৰা এয়া লাগিছে গোটেই বস্তু খুলি নিছে মোক গলৰ হাতৰ চব আৰু গডেজত থকা আপোনাৰ চব নহ'লে পিষ্টল আছিলে ল'ৰাটোক মাৰি দিম বুলি কৈছে চব খুলি দিয়ক খুলি পেলাই সিহঁতে লৈ গৈছে পিছত মোৰ মুখত টেপো মাৰি দিছিল পিছত টেপটো খুলি দিছোঁ তাৰপৰা যেনিবা গোটেই বস্তু লৈ গ'ল পইচা
কিবা মাৰণাস্ত্ৰ লৈ আহিছে নেকি
আহিছে বন্দুক লৈ আহিছে হেৰি কেইবাজনো আহিছে বন্দুক আছে হাতত তাৰপিছতে ল'ৰা হেৰি কৰিছে যদিও মানে মোক কৈছে যে আপোনাক কৈছে মাল দৌ বুলি কৈ আছে মাল কাহা হে তাৰপৰা ল'ৰাক পিষ্টলটো আনি থৈছে আপুনি দেগাটো লড়কাকো মাৰ দেগা পিছতে নিজে গড্ডে চব ভাঙি গোটেই বস্তু ভাঙিছে গোটেই ঘৰৰ হেৰি কৰি দিছে গহনা বহুত আছিল পইচা গহনা গোটেই লৈ গৈছে আকৌ
কিমানমান গহনা আছিলে
গহনা বহুত আছিলে চব হেৰি কেঁচা হেৰি আছিলে 24 কেৰেটৰ চব নিছে খাৰু বালা মোৰ নেকলেছ মানে ফুলিও আছিলে 6-7যোৰমান আৰু ডিঙিৰো বহুত আছিলে ছোৱালীকো এই দিছিলোঁ সেইটা ফুলি আঙুঠি চব মানুহজনৰ আঙুঠি মোৰ আঙুঠি বহুত গহনা নিছে মুঠতে গহনা বহুত নিলে বালা হেৰি চব খাৰু কেইবাযোৰো আছিল
Ban pensok ya kalik kawan ki pat ba bat kinong jungok kai perthei haba kidon kam ban wai kali borok shisngi ban net kai nelit shagoti airport Usamla Allen Lingdo ulashna kawe ko online booking ka bom.com ban download ye ki apps Henry tang de kabashu WhatsApp how number ki passenger ki lala banyo iki kaliwai ban net kat shaba ki kwa. La ai kerteng de ka gokem Shillong WhatsApp chat box taxi service. Da ka bapindon kam ye kini ke app ki try kali ki yo kilat kamai kaji bat kalong ka basngan na kabenta kitu ki bawai kali da kini kabut. Ulay thu ki don santli ki kinhon ya kali ki bala pinyas no kini ke app ki bakenthop ya ka all Shillong Tourist Taxi Driver Unit Organization ESTTDUO ka Khasi Hills Tourist Taxi Association KHTTA ka Meghalaya Tourist Transport Association MTTA ka Nailar Tourist Taxi Association HTTA but ka all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA. Uloong ru ban booking iki kali pendon kam do number kendai pran riu lai pra ar sau sau ar pra.
And we also have an option where people can hire the vehicles on full rental basis itself, okay? Which means that it's for sightseeing for tourists and for locals itself. Right? And the way it works is that it's a chatbot where people can actually select the options that you want to, whether it's airport railways, and airports be catering to Guwahati Airport as well as the Umrah Airport. And these are back and forth between Shillong, Guwahati, Guwahati, Shillong. And then you have the option also where they can select the day, whether it's today, tomorrow, or this week itself. And then within the flow of the message, they have the time slot. So again, with the time slot, you can select whichever you want. So now these messages are actually circulated to the drivers. And the drivers will independently select and choose whether to accept or decline the ride. Okay. So now the big thing that we've done out here is that this has become like a centralized platform where drivers don't need to spend too much time on the waiting on these taxi stands. It will help them so much more. Okay, so that even though whether they're at home, they're anywhere else, you can always capture the ride. Whether they're traveling somewhere else, also they can still capture the ride. Because we have so much requests in the sense that the request can come in many forms. It's either today, tomorrow, this week, or next month. So it's a huge thing that a driver can commit to a particular passenger. And another big thing that we've done out here is that now we're on a platform on like an app, which is on WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp is a very familiar technology for everyone. It's not a standalone app. That really helps out for the drivers actually. Because that's technology, which means that a lot of people to learn again. It's a huge stumbling block for them. With WhatsApp, it becomes so easy for them. All they have to do is just write hello GoCam, and the rest is taken care of. So for the drivers, we have something that you may have noticed. We have an option that says drivers only. For drivers, it's very simple. We've made it in such a way that they can onboard. It's a simple form. They enter their name, their number, and the association where they belong to, and also which vehicle that they're driving, along with the vehicle registration number. We are tying up right now with the association because we're hoping that this security and the accountability and reliability, people will feel much more confident in that way, as opposed to going independently with different drivers. And this means now would be on the taxi association, because if anything happens, then the association will take responsibility and accountability for that issue. God forbid, hope nothing happens that way. And we also have something called report an issue. Report an issue is when there's some kind of an issue of any sort. It could be from the driver's side or it could be from the passenger side. So this helps us to trace anything that goes in this simple format that we've built at this particular phase right now. This is the first release that we've done right now. It's simple, it's basic, it's functional. And it also gives us an opportunity to also try and capture people from outside the state, if they do come to Shillong. But what we're focusing right now is our own people, our own local needs from people from Shillong. People who want to go to the airport, people who want to go to the railway station.
Usaling Samla MP ka Lok Sabha Natura ha ka arpusan trik Nailar ulay kendu ikinong thok Khubor ha Shillong but ula binyaw ya ka Jylla ka jingpang HIV/AIDS ha Meghalaya. Ulay thu ba ula pertajam ya kini ka jingma ha dorbar parliament ha ka ba ula pinpaw ya ka jingma ka baap ya ki Samla ba di kipat ba ka Meghalaya barok kaway. Ula pinpaw ru ya ka jing sir na ka jingkenray ka jing tuot jong drok na kiway pat ka Jylla sa Meghalaya. Uloong ka daw tenray bikinong kai drok ki pelong ya ke Meghalaya kum gak tembu ri drok Kalong bikini ki jingdi ki tuoj na kiri balajer kerteng Golden Triangle, Burma, Laos, bat Thailand, syakathan lam mingi keri India. Kidrok kilong ki jingma bashir khay na kabenta ki Jylla jong kini kathan barok kaway ulaong. Ulapin kan mau bat kentui ke sorkar ban seibor ba ban telakam ye kini ki jingma. Ula Khubor ka jing maham bat jing ajing mut jong kong amperin ke menteri ke tanat ke kuat ke kia ban penchluri ki Samla ban eksamen HIV shwa begini poi kha poi man. Ula keli parsi ke jing terai ke sorkar Meghalaya da ke boong. Kan mentoi iu ban wan ra ki kampen roy lada ki pai bat nong shong shnong kilong ki bapang jal web. Ula kentui ke sorkar ban yakun kerke persya iki drop ban iki jing pang HIV AIDS ha ke Jylla.
Christian nuns to the jail. So this is the attitude and mindset of the government. If the government is willing to change, within no time they can change it. If they want to catch all of these drug mafias, within 1 month or maybe within 1 week they can, catch all of these people. Give me 1 month, I can clear up these guys in no time. Dekhe to dekho. Himmat hai. Yeah, because they don't have a political will at all to finish this drugs abuse, to finish this corruption, to finish this kind of anti-social activity. That's why such incidents is happening every now and then.
I will add to that point. Basaling, I will say that no, they have the will, but they have the will for profiting from it.
That is true on the other side.
They don't have the political will to cut their profits, and for their personal greed, they are putting the entire Northeast youth and their health and their families to destruction by continuing the drug business in these states. If law and order and police is in their hand, do you think that any of these state governments need so much of time to cut the entire drug chain unless and until they are also beneficiaries from this business?
You see, whenever any illegal immigrants entering the state is caught by, whenever the BSF catch all of these illegal immigrants, they send to our state, right? But in the meantime, instead of keeping them, they push them back. I had lots of meetings with the BSF right now. And we have, as I've told you, we have given lots of letters to Prime Minister, to President, to Union Minister, even to the state also. That's why right now, I think, to stop this particular chain of illegal activities and illegal transportation, the government of India has directed that, export and import should be banned for a while, unless and until they make some kind of a serious measurement in this particular area. I just could see just few days back some gimmick is going on. Not just recently only they are making a noise checking the border area, whereas it was there from before itself. Why can't they do so? When things are getting out of hand, only they are trying to react. Now government itself is saying that you have to get the doctor certificate for the HIV. Then only. Why can't they stop it before? Only when your children, when your neighbor, when your relatives only started having these kinds of disease, then only you want to stop. What is this? We should stop it even before also. We could have done it. And then we still can do it if government will.
Matthew Anthony, Secretary ko All India Congress Committee AICC, ubapit ika Meghalaya, ulit hu ikinong to Khubor Shillong, haka arku santarik Nailar da kabong. Haka election arjar arpupra ka Congress kalatikanaban yo bat biang ka sorkar Meghalaya. Uni urang ba Congress ulapin yang niya yakini gajing kmilenti da kabong. Mentabun kirang ba nakaseng NPP kibalatikana banumyo tiket banyakun haki election arjar arpupra nakadaw balakap niya kasem. Kilasdang banprong siya kasem bat kakper jong kaseng Congress. Uloong ko Congress kan sapet sanibha halor kani kakam. Henry wa Anthony umshim laay kakerteng jong kita kirang ba jong ke NPP kibakwa banrung siya kaseng Congress. Ulayt ho Kijing ya keren minta kilong kam hakmat ya ke election district council ha kilong garu. Kumno ban penklan bat penya ya keseng ha kinong kendong.
State of Bihar. You will ask, why is this concerning to the people of Meghalaya? You have recently seen the press conference done by the leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, on the 7th of August in Delhi, where he exposed one single constituency in Karnataka where 1,250 votes, whereof multiple duplicate and faking of its origin, whereby which the votes in the constituency were misaligned or fabricated for a victory. Now this is only one constituency where the exercise has been done for 6 months and taken over. Why? Because the Election Commission of India refused to give the details. I don't want to take it prompt press conference by getting into the entire details, but I'll ask you fundamental questions for the people of Meghalaya to understand. Who is the constitutional body of Election Commission of India? Are they answerable to the government or are they answerable to the people to conduct a fair and just election? The cause which is championed by the leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, is that the Election Commission of India is prima facie at fault and in cohort with the government of India to manipulate the election results, which has given this victory for BJP to form this government in the center. Recently it has come out in Madhya Pradesh that there is 700 voters coming out from a single address. So if the Election Commission of India is fair, what is stopping him from the Election Commission of India to share the voters' details for us to, for the nation to compare it in a very transparent manner? What is there for the Election Commission of India to hide? What is there for the Election Commission of India not to be transparent to the people of this country? That is exactly what the leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, is asking. And now I will come why it is related to the people of Meghalaya also. If the voting is suppressed, like in many dictatorial countries, where the voting is just maintained as a fake mechanism to say that we have a democratically elected government, whereas the entire voter list is manipulated. That is what we are questioning. The government, the employees of the government, the elected representatives of the government, the message which leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is conveying is that we should remember ourselves that they all are the servants of the people to serve the people and not the masters of the people. And that is a point which we are communicating. And that is where the people of Meghalaya also has.
Hadin ka jingkhanrai ki kot kisla ni ki Khuborjylla de ki nongelambat ki kot ka Khasi Students Union KSU South Khasi Hills ki basyong dukan hagathan majai hakini ki kindiat sngi baladep lalap ye ka jingyo labor license ki Khuborjylla hakini kathan kani ka lapalong pat ikinongelam ka KSU banya kendo yo ba shemborlang renja UCM haka atusan tarik Nailar banya kren halor kini kimat habakren chikilat pathai Khubor usamla Reebok Star dingdo uloong haga jingkhanra labor license ka seng lalap bakadon ka jing ai pathari ka labor license shiki Khuborjylla hakador news pating ka kawai halor kini kamat kinoilam ka KSU na South Khasi Hills sabakile kendo yo CEM kilabo jingkali manubla ai bat kumno ki Khuborjylla kila yo ka labor license hakador news pating ka kawai nakaliang UCM uloong ba umdon jingtip AA halor kani kakam bat unhap ban kren bat ki officer ka KHADC nalor kata utay unong elam ka KSU uloong ru ban nakaseng kalabo jingkarpat ya ka council bakan penlong ya ka jingkhanra ya ki Khuborjylla katikathan harengkat bat kaseng khnang banla ban pendo jat ya ki Khuborjylla ki bawan ban trebean hakate kathan
Rim iwan submit biang barga juga por ila ong bakin pek bat bud din ru ya ki memorandum ki barim ki banila ai te ke jing submit mentak sngi haki daw ki long ka banung kong ka bang nilai keren ka long ba ka jing issue pathar ya ki labor license ba ki trading license hakati kata ki jungi te ko banung kong habi ade ki labor license nilai keren nomor ba hakini kita yo ki berang sudep ki ba nilai ya ban khandra ya ki labor license ki jing trading license nio ishai ba ki don ki slip ki ba shuai kata kamut ka ba ki seu nio spa dengka but itai slip i valid no tang hapo kat sansni ikut no tang po kat sansni tinggal sim jingkli ya CM ba ka e gani kidon ki bale ya gani le si pidon jingtip ni em ko mukli jong ka council habe ade gani ka slip ten ri ong bangin ya kren but em jong ka trip but em u bedai pej ya kata ka bagi inspektor jong ka license te ha ka ju ka por ni ong ilada kamdon kanu no jingtip ne don kinu tre ki bisule hi ya kata ngas ngau ba kai ka badai pinle na komenta jong kini ka bapan butnam ya ke isi ke jong pi bat ngimpat ju ikoi kata ngila khanraru ban yo iya ita islip iban balit no tang hapo khatsan sngi bat kador ka dei news pa ka te halor kata ru ngila ban bor ya kani ka bangi keli kadon kam ne em ban yo ya kata ka non employee clearance habia dei ban ka district council kumbalong mentahang TPUE ba ki hotel ki homestay ki babun ki lami ha bara ka ju ka por ni i bat gibreu ki bawan na kawai pat kari ki shuong bai ba ngila don ni kata ka certificate habia de ki diploma ba fer kum ki IHM habia de ki chef kum ta ter ki room service ne ki chef ba ya kita rung ikwa ba kindai ki pradok prasnam lajong nomor ki don ki ba pas class 6 ru ndrei ki pen i tang ya ka certificate working of experience na ka jakala ne ka hotel ka homestay ka ba ki trai menshua te halor kata ngina kali ang kasengim priang le si ngakli ya kata don ne em kum kata kanon employee clearance na po ka council ban ay gitaru ngim kren etang ki labor rei habangi ong ki employee ru ka kta hi nomor ki employee kala de ki monthly wages kum ong kitin nang wai ki bla yo jing siu banai te ya kata ru ong council bakan pej bahan ang ni sakmat baraga ju ka por ngila ya kren ru habia de bat ki yo sethi ki bla suseng klem da yo jing bit na ka council na du ki por bla de ngila wan kren ndeng semyo anu no ku jubab te habia de mentar ngila bu biang ki memorandum ya kata ke jing dawa ban khang kredep no e ki yo hang thi habe dei semolong semajai kun ta ter sesila habe dei bat ki yo ki basu penmi jubor da kini ki dekhar bara ka ju ko por ngila ya kren ru ya ke jing penkela kerteng no e ki jaka sathi ki badai ha ka ketin nong wei ya kata ru na kaliang iem yung saya pej la dolong ko bala ni khot ke meeting bat ki klik nong secar perangkat iseng balang ban ngila ya banjur ru habe dei bat ke ban khanra habe ke ban khanra ngila ong ba na bakani ka sngi ke ban wan ru ngindang lek biang impala pendep namar ka jaka kala he tingi kwa pat ngila banjur hina ka council ba la dalong ka bala kan pelaj por ban ya khandra bat ka seng KSU bara ka ju ka por ngila ong bala da pi pelaj por ngini khandra tang bat ka seng KSU ngim don kam ya ka official letter ten rei tang da ka phone call ru kala biang khnang ba onom don batip menu bara ka ju ka por ngi ong la da pi kwa ba ta ki wei ki seng ru kam lele ngim don jingkhang ngre ngim bisni kita ki seng ru ban khandra
Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Sangma ulapin bana ba ka sorkar kalarai na du shitarik naiwing mentau snem ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kan sasiw ki tulop na kabenta kinong tre jung kilai tali ki district council jong kani ka Jylla knam ba kani ka jing thngu kan ya chakman uloong ba ka sorkar kan sathaw ye ka committee ban ye kren ba kinong elam jung kilai tali ki autonomous district council halor kani ka kam
that coming November 1st 2025 the government of Meghalaya will be paying the salaries for the different autonomous district councils. This will be a historic moment where once the salaries are paid, the different district councils can then focus on the different areas of concerns and development aspects and different traditional and aspects of culture. The procedure to ensure that this is implemented in a proper manner will be worked out by a committee that will engage with all the district councils, namely the Khasi, Garo and the Jylla Hills District Council. This committee will take 45 days to ensure that they engage with all the councils and ensure that these systems are in place so that the salaries can be paid to the district councils by the state government. I also want to assure the district councils and the citizens at large that there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor into the jurisdiction of the district councils. Our intention is only to bring financial stability, a proper system so that the councils are able to pay salaries on time and so that they can continue to function and work as per the mandate of the Constitution. Earlier today, I also had a meeting with the Honorable Governor and shared these different points, took guidance from him.
Kalumpung Yilakay football balapulong da Umroy Block National People's Youth Fund Hamadan ka Shillong Kerdem kalakut ha ka arflay tarik Nailar ha ka jingikun final ha padeng kanong Thamai FC persya ka Kerdem Football Club. Ha kini ka sngipen kut ikani Kalumpung Yilakay lapen singan da uba wailat miki Jylla wa MLA ka Jawai President ka State NPYF uba daman bat lamare MLA ka Umroy uba Cornelius Lalu usim ka Raj Madan Kerdem bat Shibelin kinong pitkay. Hababhay siya kajing kun final ka lalong ka ba itanat bat ka ba pinkamen yi gipat ba jong kanigathan barok kaway. Kinigi team kilit hep marshi shikol hado bakut ka Khuborjylla kay. Referee ularay da ka kenjat para marway banyo ka team lado. Ha ka bakhado kanong Thamai FC ka lapelim ka Kerdem FC bat ra ka busket na kani Kalumpung. Hakani ka sngi la ay sngo bharu shiki school de kshatri bansam shiki khana school jongki. Katba na kabenta ki khana school ki badon ka jingduna haki dukhatmet la ay de ki wheelchair bakin net kinwan.
The National People's Youth Front dene jongki kon Samla ki hapo ka state Meghalaya ka jongi. Ngawan menta ka ski ban ay tang ka message yapi Kamtam ya Umroy constituency ngakwa bang man penkenmau ya pi bangi kum kayeng kesem bagi tibha bagi ku bagi madaman baik nilong sieng sisem ngawan penkenmau ya pi house name arjar apulai ha kapor election na ka family jongi ha bangi wan check election campaign niong jet yau daman baik pinyo saumur kiamali Tamba stiubok klenyo sawut tang handrai iwan penkenmau ya pibau ma daman bai umlong marway udon yai masyo barang dhar ku deputy chief minister jong state ke jongi bat udon yang aro ha jo por ha bang wan hang ni nga klem wan ku MLA jong ke juai constituency handrai nga wan rengkar kat ku MLA jong ke umroy ro jo ke por betre rengkar pat ima daman bai sibon ki issue ki balagi lai krenlang na kabenta ban pentiu kunrong ya ke Umroy constituency. Matharai madaman baik bat manga lada kia compare bun di balai kren ni armu di krenlong minister hapo kanika sarkar Meghalaya tang lada pi compare ya ki development ya ke roy ke par ki bakin wan ha kaniki artli ki constituency kala jan ya rengkat bat ke jong ki minister ha kecing elam jong madaman baik wai ni MLA jong kathai ni boy ka sarkar ka klem mau ka pek ya ki jindon kam jong kathai ni boy na kata kadau menta video artli ki madan football ki ban long ki bayar rengkat kum ki wai ki madan football jong dari India borok away kata kadai hanong scare away ke bala stray menta bat shen nang ne video sak away hang tai
Bat da kini ki Khubor ngila poi siya kabakot tar haduk bang Nation biang kublay shibon.